This is Sean from Sean's Model Builds, and after doing a lot of rearranging and opening of boxes and everything, I managed to get my model room in my new apartment somewhat organized. I mean, the cars are in there. That's still a bit disorganized, but I have to find the screws that connect that shelf. But of course, the new backdrop for any model videos I film with me on the screen are all the model kits I have yet to build. Mostly Star Trek and Star Wars here. And then space shuttles, a few bigger Star Trek, but mostly model cars that didn't fit in the cabinet, and aircraft and space shuttles. So that's just a brief preview. I'll give the full tour later.